You ever see one of those claims online that's just so wild, so out there, you have to stop scrolling? Well, we're going to tear one of those apart today. It's a promise that seems to completely break reality. How to snag a super expensive house for next to nothing.
And there it is. Just let that sink in. A $500,000 asset for the price of a decent used car. But you know what the craziest part is? That little sentence, I didn't buy it with a loan. So they're not just claiming they got a deal. They're claiming they found a way around the entire financial system.
And that really is the $500,000 question, isn't it? What kind of secret backdoor or financial magic trick could possibly make something like this happen? That's exactly the puzzle we're going to try and solve.
Okay, so first things first, let's look at the promise itself. We've got to break down these numbers and the exact wording here to really understand what's supposedly on the table.
I mean, just look at that. The difference is just, wow. You have this massive bar for the value of the house, and then this tiny little sliver for what was paid. What you're looking at isn't just numbers on a chart, it's a huge credibility gap. It's basically showing two completely different financial universes.
Right, and now we add another layer to this whole mystery. The source is super specific about this. I didn't buy it with a loan. By taking the bank, the mortgage, all of that, completely out of the equation, the claim gets even more unbelievable, and frankly, a lot harder to swallow.
Okay, so we have this incredible promise. Now, let's really put it to the test. Let's see how it holds up against the cold, hard reality of how the housing market actually works for, everybody else.
And here's the difference in black and white. The promise sounds so simple, right? A straight line from a little bit of cash to getting the keys. But the typical reality? It's a maze of paperwork, bank approvals, down payments, closing costs, fees that can run you tens of thousands of dollars before you even make your first mortgage payment.
Let's just put a number on it to be clear. We're talking about a 98% discount. Think about that. In what world does a super valuable, in-demand asset like a house sell for 98% off? It just doesn't happen without some enormous hidden catch. This is the point where your alarm bells should be ringing loudly.
So, if it's not a normal purchase, then what in the world is it? Well, the source material gives us one tiny little clue, and we're going to follow that breadcrumb and see where it takes us.
And here it is. The supposed magic key has a name, and it's hiding in plain sight, right in the title, the $10,000 deed. This one phrase is positioned as the entire explanation, the how behind the whole thing.
So we have a name for this method, but what is it? I mean, a deed is a real thing. It's a legal document that transfers ownership of a property. But a $10,000 deed? That's not a real legal term. It doesn't exist. So the source gives us a name for the trick, but absolutely zero explanation of how the trick actually works. It's like a box with a fancy label, but inside it's totally empty.
And this really brings us to the most important question in this whole breakdown. If you really discovered a legit way to buy houses for 2 cents on the dollar, wouldn't you explain how it works? The fact that the details are just gone, completely missing, well, that tells you more than the claim itself.
So, after pulling this claim apart, piece by piece, what's the real lesson here? What should you take away from this when you're scrolling through your feed?
Look, the lesson is really simple. When something sounds way too good to be true and the how-to part is mysteriously missing, that is a gigantic red flag. These kinds of claims get attention because they play on a real feeling, that hope for a shortcut, a secret to getting ahead. But the burden of proof is on the person making the claim, not on you to just blindly believe it.
So here's a little mental checklist you can use next time you see something like this. First, what are the key details that are missing? In this case, it was, well, the entire method. Second, what's their motivation? Are they trying to get clicks, views, sell you a course? Third, does this just completely break the basic rules of the market? A 98% discount sure does. And fourth, is it presented as some kind of secret? Because secrets are often just a way to avoid providing any real evidence.
So, I'll just leave you with this final thought. When a deal looks way too good to be true, maybe the most powerful question to ask isn't, wow, how is that possible? But instead, what aren't they telling me?